Hi, this is Chris with Home Garden Mortgages. It is August 8th and it is time for our weekly mortgage update. So what a week it's been. This is the first time that the Federal Reserve has kind of come out and said they are expecting some 90% probability of cutting rates in September. The question is going to be whether it's a quarter point or a half point rate cut. Now, there's also a very good chance that the following rate cuts in October and December. So 3 rate cuts. We are in the low sixes right now. So today's rate would have been a 6.25 on a conventional conforming loan, let's say in Cranford, New Jersey, single family, primary residence with excellent credit. So around 6.25, no points, will be around 6.3 on the APR. So in the context of the Federal Reserve cutting rates, as Trump has wanted, Chairman Powell to do all along, we're going to be close to the low to mid fives by the end of the year. That's what we're expecting. There are also a very good chance of 3 to 4 rate cuts coming in next year, which is going to get the rates even into the mid fours. So if all that happens, right, it's already a seller's market out here in that it's not as crazy as it was a few months ago, but you're still seeing multiple offers in good towns, right? With rates coming down 1 to 1.5 to 2 points, you're just going to see all those buyers who couldn't afford, with rates being in the sevens, coming out of renting and finally be able to get approved to buy their home. Also, New Jersey State has come out with an up to $22K down payment assistance program. So that's also there to help buyers' demand. In all, we see home buying, the inventory keep on increasing as sellers finally can kind of move out of their homes because they're not stuck with that 2%. It's an easier transition from that 2% rate to a 4% rate as opposed from 2% to 7%. So we're going to see a lot of activity come through. So what does that mean for you? As a buyer, you want to get ahead of that. As someone who's bought a home in the last 3 years, you're finally going to get out of that mindset or stuck in that mindset of, hey, I dated the rate, right? That dating relationship is finally going to come to an end. You're going to be able to refinance out of that high 6 or maybe 7% rate into a 5%, maybe a mid 5 to a high 5 rate, right? As always, our rates are put out on a daily basis on social. We also have a website. The link should be somewhere below where you can go in 15 seconds, get a rate that's customized to you. Right? Get a couple of rate quotes, shop around for the best rate, and you'll be able to save a lot more. Your future self's going to help you. Thanks, and have a great day.